Yeah, good morning, my people. Good morning, Abians, all over the world. Good morning, Hindo, Ndi Human Asonso. All moon working at Kebu TV. This place might look dirty and filthy, but my biggie and busy. I know the port along Pepple'S Road. Pepple'S Road, one of the roads our able governor flagged up so that Komike may commiserate with the transformation agenda open Abia na Abia State, because also connected Ekotepene Road by Enyimba Hotel, and also link is Emelogu roundabout. Emelogu roundabout link is Emelogu link kwa Ngwa Road. So with this changes and the development that we all wish for, that we all pray for, are faster and achievable. So we just want to take you around. Can you made the drainage system because they got the drainage called bigger, and we can control more flooding in terms of the Canaba rainy season. So let's take you around and show you how the work is going. Even today was today, no sleeping tonight. Sundays and Aurora every time. So let's take you around. So everybody know now we the drainage system, the construction of drainage here behind you know, every linking road, every adjoining roads, I got a slab. Yes, I got a slab. Kechie ya Koye Ife. So here they made the construction of the drainage. Ebukwena aga. Ovum Street. Yeah, Ovum. Yes, Ovum Street. So you can see men at work, and you can also feel the size of the drainage. The size, what is bigger than and then yeah, you can see the size of the drainage. The man who is at the helm of Abia have already declared Abia State a construction area. So every day here can updates as in they happen. You can see some of the equipment, men at work near level now a slope after the men on your computer, no charaha, and the survey, no charaha. And I'm nelu aje hip because I got changing Ghana at that level of the place. We got it now, but also we will still be taking the movements so that we will see everything as it happen. So Eba outside the junction of from street or from Eba Imuga erosion. But the old gutter, the cave Buana, Ghana intentionally. They has a plan because of the future. They have a futuristic plan expanding these gutters because as houses are coming up, you can see houses, duplex, commercial houses, and so many undeveloped land. As they are coming up, there's need now they may expand the drainage, but everything empties inside the river, which is just close by around here. So there's need for them to widen it up. There's need for them to widen it up so that communicate good enough water. So on here, that is exactly what is obtainable here. You can also see this side after the Ovum Street. You can also see this side. There, see, how are you? You can see the surveying process and also the casting, or the ongoing right now. You can just take a look and see that men are not joking. How wide they got the also, because also gave you traffic when completed. Ndoro from various states, from various local government, from various areas. They are all here doing what they know how to do best. You can see men at work doing it and delivering nothing but the best. Yeah, take a look. When you also look straight, you can other materials, shipping materials for the construction of the drainage. Now different quarters and different destinations, and look at the reason of the renew drainage. You know, the old ones, the size of the old ones, or the very, very small. There's no way this one can work. There's no way this one can be able to control the level of water. Now, but then ime hapo ime arusha eruechi konecha gwara obosi akọkwa another thing. Dig 6, as I said earlier, ebe n'ugbo a ebe a na-akpọ Pepple'S Road. Pepple'S Road na heart of Abia. So this road onwebola existing drainage, but this road have never witnessed that road since creation of Abia State. Up until Governor Alex or Dr. Alex Chioma Oti came to power, Yoruba needs for them to develop all these areas, need for them to expand Abia, need for them to develop Abia and make it work. So that is why the may award this road. Go connect ya, Emelo connect ya Ngwa road, Bukotakwa ha connect kwa Ekote Bene road. So that is what they are doing now. Men are seriously tackling this road to make sure that they deliver nothing but the best. So him Kamzunu, Kunu Hona, Abia State has been turned to a full construction site. And also show you guys the proximity between Abia River, they popularly call water site, and where we are right now. So this is, I told you guys that I'm na Ovum Street. This big gutter we got during the former president Goodluck Jonathan issue an ecological funding. Engineer later even with a flooding challenge. So this gutter have been in existence till date, even though that the erosion have been ravaging that very Ovum Street because the project was abandoned, left incomplete. So yeah, but this was an run along Pepple'S Road. They will still make use of this very drainage. Let me show you something. So this is a culvert. They will still make use of it so that they will be able to channel most of this drainage down to this bigger, larger gutter while they move straight to the Abia River. So just take a look and also learn more as we are embarking on this road tour in Abia. So far so good. Let's say everything I completed the drainage. I got everything I know. So that we be the drainage here, getting towards the Emelogu roundabout. These areas have been all touched, and they are all looking smiling and looking good. And they are doing a very video. The next thing about you may do excavating, making sure that they get nothing but the best. I love what I'm seeing. It's quite impressive and also encouraging what I have seen so far, and the speed of work. They are all fast to deliver on time, even before the U-tide. I believe you can see we use this road. Thank you for watching. Just always subscribe to Kebu TV on YouTube, Kebu TV on Facebook, Kebu TV on Instagram, Kebu TV on TikTok, and also Kebu TV on Twitter. We're there to be giving you the best and nothing but the best. Thank you guys for watching. Amen.